Fine. So question of CAT 2023, slot 1. Let's see what's given here. The salaries of three friends Sita, Geeta, and Meeta are initially in the ratio of 5 is to 6 to 7. So let's take it equal to 5x, 6x, and 7x. In the first year, they get a salary hikes of 20%, 25%, and 20% respectively. So when you increase this 5x by 20%, what do you get here? 6x. 6x when increased by 25% will become 7.5x. And 7x when increased by 20% will give you 8.4x. In the second year, this is all about the first year. Second year, what happened? Sita and Meeta. That means you need to skip Geeta here. Sita and Meeta get a salary hikes of 40% and 25%. 6 when increased by 40%. That means I need to add 2.4x here. So it becomes 8.4x. And Meeta gets a salary hike of 25%. 25% of 8.4 would be 2.1. So effectively, this becomes 10.5x. What about the third person, Geeta? That's not given. And the salary of Geeta becomes equal to the mean salary of these three friends. Now, one of the person has got the mean salary of all the three. So in other words, I can say that Geeta's salary must be the mean of these two also. That will also work here. Let's say Geeta's salary will become Y. So what's the value of Y given here? It should be the mean salary of Sita and Meeta. Now 8.4x plus 10.5x. The mean of these two. Now when you add these two values, what do you get here? 18.9x by 2, which comes out to be 9.45x. So what was the previous salary? It was 7.5x. Now it became 9.4x. So definitely there's an increase of what? More than 20%. It's how much percent? Let's try to calculate it. Final value is 9.45. Earlier it was 7.5. So what's the percentage change here? Let's look at this one. When you subtract it, what do you get here? You get 1.95 here divided by 7.5 into 100. Or this can also be written as 195 by 75, 195 by 75 into 100. This is 25 into 3. This is 25 into 4. This 3, when cancel it out, 3 into 6 is 18. You are left with 15. This will cancel it out 4 times. What is 65 into 4? 65 into 4 will be equal to 260. Now, one decimal place was not considered here. I should have written it how much? 7.5. This was 750 actually. So effectively, you get 260 by 10, which is 26%. So the answer has to be first option.